Hydro power plant. Hydropower, that is a moving water generates the electricity. That is a spin of water generates the electricity. The cycle will be formed by the sun. Initially, for grinding purpose, the hydropower will be used. Nowadays, the hydropower used for generation of electricity via the turbine. Moving water will be move the turbines. The generator will generates the electricity. Generator generates the electricity. There are two types of hydropower generation. One is dam, another one is runoff river. Dam, the high reservoir will be connected to the low reservoir via the penstock. Via the penstock, the water moving from the high reservoir to the low reservoir. At the time, due to gravitational pressure, the water rotates the turbine. The shaft connected to the turbine will rotate the generator. So generator produces the electricity. Some dams, the low reservoir to high reservoir water is moving. That power station is called pumping power station. Runoff river. Runoff river also similar to the construction of the dam hydropower. The moving water will run the turbine to generate the electricity, but the drawback is the electricity produced will be vary the flow of water. The various generation of power. Large hydro will be generate up to 30 megawatt. Small hydro generate 100 kilowatt to 30 megawatt. Micro hydro generates less than 100 kilowatt. In US dam, it generates the power of 2774 megawatts. It serves 1.3 million people. Of all renewable sources, hydropower holds the largest share in the world electricity production. Benefits of hydropower. The cost competitive. Initially the cost increases, but when years are good, cost will be reduced. Reliable. Base load power. Flood control. Water supply. These are the benefits. Some concerns in the dams. Okay, it changes the living organization mechanism, that it stops the moving fish. And also another drawbacks of dams, sometimes if the dam breaks, the flood will be created in the downstream. It kills many peoples. Carbon dioxide emission is free after the dam construction, but while constructing the dam, the emission of carbon dioxide due to the cements, various cements. After construction, the underwater will generate methane. That is a power of hydro.